back to WordPress and you go to your pages, you can go ahead and add a page. So you can add a new page. So let's just do that right now, just so you guys can see. I'll go ahead and add a new page, and you can put it whatever title you want in here. I can put test. I already created a test page, so I'm not gonna. I won't save it. But you create test, and then you hit save draft, or you can publish. It doesn't matter. Publish means it's live, and anybody can find that link. Save draft, it won't be live. It won't be live yet. But when you publish, you have to physically add it to your website menu to see it. So unless somebody knows the link, they're not gonna see it. So either way works for me. And then you can, once you save, or you save draft, or you publish, you click this Launch Thrive Architect button, and it opens up Thrive. Now, what is Thrive? Now, that's the plugin that I'm telling you that I use. So Thrive Architect is a plugin that allows you to create your own website from scratch. All this stuff that you see here, you can create it from scratch. You can add progress bars, all this stuff you see here, post grid, file counter, fill counter, divider, custom menu, Facebook comments, a lot of stuff. There's so many things you can do. All of this is click and drag. That's why I like Architect. Now there's two different versions of this. So you have Architect. These are the prices for Architect. So a single license to be able to install it on one website is $67, but that's a one-time fee. You never pay again, and you get unlimited free updates, a year of support, and includes all features. If you want to put it on 5 different websites, you go here, but obviously this is probably too advanced for you guys. So you're going to start with one website. So $67 will be the way to go. Or you can go to Thrive Themes, which is the same company, except they have more features in it. So Thrive Themes, excuse me, includes different themes, kind of like WordPress. So you have all these different themes, plugins that you can automatically install to your website and just change pictures and all that stuff. You have Thrive Leads, which you could capture people's email addresses. It does it all automatically for you. There you go. Here you go. You have Thrive Architect, which is included, and that's how you build your own website. And then you have, landing pages. So they have so much. There's a bunch of different programs in one, and this one is a monthly fee. So let's scroll down to where it says see planning. So for this one, it's kind of like they have the same layout as HostGator, where they give you a discount if you pay up front. So it's paid yearly. So this one's actually only $20 a month, but yearly you have to pay in yearly payments. Here it is, finally. So the Thrive membership, you get access to all of these things, every single thing, and it's $19 a month, but it's paid annually. But you can use it on 25 different websites. So it's like buying that $67 package 25 times. And you're only getting Architect on that one. Here you're getting every other plugin. So I think this is worth it. This is what I personally have. All of my websites have Thrive, so I like to use this one. But this website, hands down, is probably this plugin, I should say, hands down is probably the best plugin to make websites, in my opinion. And I'll show you what it looks like. So over here, remember what we said? You create your test page, and then you hit Launch Thrive Architect. This is what it looks like. So this is Thrive Architect. When you launch it, it's going to show you your website. This is the test page I created, and I created a blank one, but I'll show you how to get to this page. So if I created a test page, I said test page 1, because I already did test page without the 1. So I'm going to save this draft. Alright, so that's saved. So now if I hit Launch Thrive Architect, it's going to look different than this one. This one, I created a page and I already made it blank. That's why I only have a heading here. But it won't usually look like that. If you have a theme from WordPress, it's going to show you the WordPress theme first. So this is what it looks like. So see how my WordPress theme is there, the hit shark, my menus up there, my categories. But now if you want to get rid of this and you want to start from scratch, you go down here to page setup, you choose a landing page, and then here are your templates that I was telling you about. So all these templates are already pre-made. All you have to do is change the pictures, colors, and the content with your content. That's it. So that's it. It's all set up for you. But I like to start from scratch, so I like to pick the blank pages. So now you got 3 options of blank pages: the one with the header, the one with the header and example, and then you have a blank. So if I choose blank and I choose this template, it's going to load a completely blank page, and this is what it looks like. I don't need two of them now, but you can see the difference of when there's a blank page versus when you have a template. I'm gonna get rid of that one. So this first heading thing, you can even delete this. Let's get this rid of it. Let's start from scratch completely. Now all the stuff you see over here, you got paragraph, heading, image, buttons, columns, background section. I know that sounds like you're like, what is that? I don't know what this is. But this is everything that coders used to use back in the days. They used to actually code all this information. But this specific plugin, everything's already coded for you. So this is click and drag. So if I click and drag a background, there it is. So this is background section. And I'll show you how to use all of these in a different video. But then you do it again, right? If you just click on it, you don't even have to drag. If you just click on it, see, it adds another section. Go back, click on it, adds another section. Now what this does is this is your page breaks on your website. So when you look at the website that I had over here, HitShark, so this part right here, that's one page break. This part right here that's black, that's another page break. Where this starts, that's another page break. So you can continue making as many page breaks as you want here. And then once you make your page breaks, then you have stuff like columns, and you can drop something inside the page break or above the page break, whatever you want. So for example, here's this one, columns, and you can select 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns. So if you select 4, now it gives you 4 columns. See that? Now you can put content in each column. You have something here that's called a content box. So I can put a content box inside of there. In that content box, I can add whatever I want. I can even add HTML or WordPress content. Here I have WordPress content. If you're not familiar with WordPress, WordPress has a lot of short codes that you can use that automatically show some of your stuff. Like you can show your recently added products, stuff like that, which is a short code. You can't do that without WordPress. So you can put WordPress content and use some of those short codes. But you also have buttons. I can put a button in there. Automatically a button. So in here I can change the name of the button. I can put the link of the button right here. It also tells you haven't saved for a while. So it tells you stop reminding me, right? You can tell them stop reminding me. But this is where your button goes. You can change the color of the button here and make whatever color you want of the button. And then you can put the website link that you want the button to link to. So again, I'll get into more of these details later on, but I'm just trying to show you some of the stuff that you can do here. You can also add, let's say I want to add custom HTML. You can add that. You can add an icon. Say I want to put my social media there, right? So let's say I want to do Facebook. All right, so you put your Facebook link. It's already, your icons are already there. Boom, put it in there. And now if you scroll here, down here in the icon section, you can actually make this a link, and you can put, when you make it a link, it'll go to your Facebook page. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is an awesome plugin. That's how I created a website like this and put all this stuff side to side. And this is just a simple website. This is not even something extravagant that I could have made a lot better than this. But that just shows you that's all you really need to make money online. Again, the reason for using a website is if your website gets very popular, number one, you have a place to send people, right? You got to send traffic somewhere so that you can make some money. So you have a specific place where you're sending everybody. On top of that, if your website turns out to be very popular, then you can start charging people to advertise on your website. Facebook is free, people, and Zuckerberg is a billionaire, but people pay him to advertise on Facebook, and that's why he makes money. So you don't necessarily have to charge people to make money. You can charge people to promote their business on your websites to make money. So there's a lot of ways, but this is just a quick overview of what I was doing and how to create a website. Please get your hands on this Architect. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. Either one, Architect, or you can do the monthly one, whichever one you want. I think they're both great. I use the monthly one because I like to use all the plugins and be able to capture people's emails and stuff like that, which is something you're going to learn in the future. But that's about it, guys. That's all the time I have today. Hopefully this video helped. If it did, please subscribe below, like it, share it with your friends, and I promise I'm going to be making more videos and do step-by-step for every single step. I'll do a step-by-step for HostGator, how to set that up, step-by-step how to set up your WordPress, step-by-step how to create a full website, or even sign up for this, whatever you want me to do. So you guys can go ahead and join that Facebook group and ask any questions you want, and hopefully I can answer them for you. And I'm hoping this brings value to all you guys, and if it does, comment below. Like I said, subscribe and share. I'll see you guys next time.